All right, in this video, we're going to answer the question how to split a Python list into equally sized chunks. So here we go. I just create a simple list, 0 to 333. Well, 332, 0 to 332. Then I'm going to say, all right, what's my chunk size? That's 20 for this video. Now, I'm going to go for current offset in the range of 0 to the length of the big list. So it's going to go 0 to 332. And it's going to skip that chunk size. So it'll go 0, 20, 40, and so forth. And when it does that, I'm going to get the current offset. And then I'm going to create another list, slicing the original one, starting with the current offset, and then going up to the chunk size. And sure enough, if you look at it, I get a list of lists, which each have 20 items in them. Now, sometimes people go, well, this comprehension is a little hard to understand. Well, let's unroll it. And the way you do that is you take your 4, you pull it out into just a regular 4, same expression. I'm going to start with another chunk list. And then as I go through this, I'm going to append the big list, but again, using slice, same methodology. We're going to print it out, and it's the exact same thing. So that's it. I've had to divide lists into chunks before when you're trying to insert things in a database or scrape. You don't want to get too many at one time. So list comprehension is an easy peasy way to do it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button down there so that I can build an audience and more people can enjoy this content. I'll see you in the next one.